This is a short mindful breath meditation for beginners. This is my Dr. Manijeh Motaghy. I am the founder of Perfectly Here in Southern California and a mindfulness teacher for UCLA. Before you begin, please notice your state of mind. At this point before the practice, are you calm, scattered, in a rush, anxious, excited, worried, tired, or what else? It's good to do this so that you can see if there is any change at the end of the meditation. Find somewhere comfortable to sit. It could simply be the chair at the dining table, or on the couch, or outside on the patio, or at the park. It won't take long, so don't worry about finding a perfect place. As soon as you have picked the place you are going to sit, follow these instructions. Sit upright with your back straight, chin parallel to the ground. Let your shoulders descend and relax. Let your hands rest on your laps. Take one deep breath to get your mind into the activity. Close your eyes, or if you like to keep them open, you can look down somewhere in front of you with dim eyes. Relax your face. Close your mouth and breathe through the nostrils. Now sharpen your attention into the nostrils only during an inhalation. Let the sensation of the exhalation fade away and not be as vividly obvious to you. Inhale, feeling all the sensations, and let your exhale fade away. Do this for 10 in and out breaths. You may use your fingers to keep count. So let yourself feel the in-breath completely and the out-breath to fade away. Make a note of various sensations you feel inside the nostrils, such as the temperature, sharpness, tingling, or whatever else that you can pick up. You can repeat this process 3 times in one setting. If you feel lightheaded, pause in between for a couple of minutes and continue. Let's do this together. Take one deep, long breath. Feel all the sensations inside the nostrils and just allow the breath to leave on its own naturally. One more deep, long breath. Feel the sensations in the nostrils and let the breath leave naturally. As you take a deep, long breath, notice if your shoulders are tight. You can relax the shoulders And gently let your exhalation to be released. Continue on your own with another 7 breaths in and out. Now we can pause and repeat this process once again, taking a deep, long breath. Feel all the sensations as the breath moves in through your nostrils. And also now sharpen your attention as you feel the breath moving out of your nostrils. Let's do that for 10 breaths, both inhalation and exhalation, to feel all the sensations completely as the breath moves in and out. And be aware that you don't tighten your shoulders or your face. And if you feel lightheaded, you can stop. Take a minute, open your eyes, and then continue. This is a short practice to enhance focus, create peace, reduce stress, calm your body, reduce blood pressure, enhance your immune system. So the prescription is to do this practice 3 times a day. One set would be to take a deep inhalation, feel all the sensations, let the exhalation fade away without feeling much. That's 10 breaths. And another set is to feel the inhalation and exhalation, both, all the sensations in and out. And notice if there is any change in temperature. When you inhale, there is a sense of coolness. When you exhale, there is a sense of warmth. Enjoy your practice. Until the next. If you like these videos, these podcasts, please subscribe so you can get the next one that I record and put on YouTube. Thank you.